What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Oh, happy day when Jesus walked. Oh, when he walked, he put my sins away. He put my sins away. Oh, happy day. Welcome, guys. Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. I'm in a joyful mood this morning, better than how I'm in. I'm always in a joyful mood, but this specific morning, I'm in a joyful, wonderful, deep man. I tell you the truth, I feel excited, racist. I feel Hey, members. Hey, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How no do? How no stay? Alright? I hope each and every one of you wake up this morning. I hope you no weak this morning. And if you no weak this morning and feel any pain at all, go to the doctor. Please, I'm begging you, go to the doctor, check out the doctor, make the doctor tell you what go on with your body, and make sure you're alright. Guys, if you can't go to the doctor, we go get somebody to come help you carry you go to the doctor, guys. Oh, happy day when Jesus walked. Oh, when he walked, he cleared my sins away. Guys, if today is your birthday, today the 9th of June is your birthday, happy birthday, guys. Today I'm on my son's birthday. Yeah, man, I'm a whole heap of number today. Yeah, man, whole heap of number. Yeah, man, whole heap. So, happy birthday to my son today. Today is your birthday. I don't know if you watch my video, but happy birthday to you, you know, and may I link you, you know, and think, have a nice, you know. But guys, uno see the video? Uno see the video? Man, I tell you guys, a breath of fresh air. What a connection. What a link up. It's not really a link up, it's not really a connection. But guys, I go say this to you. Let me calm down now. Make me calm down now. For the 9 months she carry you without money, carry you without food. Don't know which part the last food I come from. But she carry you upon this hurt. She go through hell with you, fighting battles through poorness. But she carry you. Guys, you like me singing? In this world that we live in, she carry you, she never dash with you. Guys, me too happy, me too excited. Guys, me say me too excited. Guys, you don't know what me say me see one video of Colaz and him mother. Me say, hey guys, listen me good, man. Listen to me good. Colaz mother, after over 10 years, Colaz mother. Hey guys, me no want to do that video yet. Me no want to do that video yet because me say me, hey, after over 10 years, Colaz mother come and saw and see the place that she lives in with her kids and realize and see that one of her kids bring back that place. Yo, hold on, man. Hold on, man. Guys, yo. Guys, make me watch that video. Me could watch that video and then we have a little dialogue because me could watch that video. You ready? Yeah man, we'll go watch the video and we go chat afterwards.
Okay. Hmm? Who's this? You okay?
There again.
Oh God.
What's up?
Come take it easy. Oh God, Mr. Dan.
What kind of surprise? What kind of surprise? What kind of surprise is this? Eh? Yes, I'm glad to see you. Yes. Hey, you just pop in at the place, so. You didn't know she was coming, Colaz?
Tell me, say what come yesterday? Eh,
We had the fee.
what? That tell you.
Yes, sir. You're coming to place to come see Project X. Yeah. And all the mighty works.
I see how we fix up a little piece of house up at top there.
Yes. Oh my
See the
gosh.
transformation,
You
eh?
know, tell you, you come once you couldn't find out what you know it.
Right.
Like you can't find, identify it. That's where go my sister. Jason, I have a pretty hairstyle. That's what I
Up
got
at top
big.
there.
Guys, did you all see that video? Did you all see that video? That little clip? Guys, I don't know how Colaz Smith's mother feel within herself, knowing that that is where she lives with her kids for many years. That house become nothing, and then her son bring that house back to something, the pink house, and also for sure Project X, and she take her 2 eye, see it for herself, I wonder if you all know how she must feel within herself, knowing that she remember when she have nothing. When she have nothing, but she still grow her kids and do the best that she can done for her kids. Live to see her kids, at least one of her kids, come up, grow up to be somebody, to be a man that is providing for his family, for a man that is pushing and not stopping at no cost, for a man that people is beating, fighting, and yet still, he's still pushing. I wonder how you think that mother feel. I am not that mother, and I feel really good just to see the two of them. As you all say, Colaz go there. That simple mean Colaz was in country and his mother come, wifey pick them up and bring them down. Can you see that nice hug that Colaz give to his wife? And his children just walk over and hug. Man, love the man, man. Love the man, man. Leave the man alone, man. Yo, hey. May I tell you the truth, brother? That was a nice moment. That was a very nice moment. You can see that Colaz and Colaz's mother is not a hugger, because the mother hug him. You can see saying she hug him and she turn away, and when she turn away you can see that she's a shy person. There are shy family who don't like to be too excited. Man, that was a nice moment. And then Miss Little come on the scene. And when Miss Little come on the scene, you can see the respect where them have for each other. Miss Little say, I look at nobody never see have a problem. You see him, hey. That was a very nice moment. Yeah, that was a very nice moment. That's what you want from your kids. That's what you want from your kid, from your kids, from your, that's what you want when you born a kid and grow up a kid. That's what you want from him or her. You want to see them elevate. You want to see them grow up. You want to see them put themselves at a place that them can survive on them own. That is what you want for your kids. That is what you should want for your kids. And that is what a kid should grow up and do to make his or her mother, parents happy. Colaz thumbnail say, mother come to see place for over 10 years. And that's a nice feeling, man. That is a very nice feeling. You notice how me talk soft and nice and slow? Because it make me feel good. As a man, as a father. And me know, me really and truly like the moment when I see Colaz Smith and his mother. Yeah, man, one of my son is a coach. And the big one, right now him I work on him forget him own insurance company. And me feel nice When them tell me what them a do, me feel really nice. Me give them my input. When me see them a do anything that's wrong, me give them my input and me say no, do it that way, they do it that way, they fi get it better. You know, sometimes they listen, sometimes they don't listen, then do them thing pan them own. And then when them get knocked, then call me and say, boy, we should not listen to you. But you don't know how life go. But it's a very nice look. It's a very nice moment. If see Colaz and his mother hug. If see his mother come to look at Project X. And you can see the mother go in at the pink house. We never see no more of that still. So, you know, right, there's a Colaz cut off that the part there. You know, I don't know if no more, him have no more video a come. He may have more video a come. He may not want video no more in mother still. But at the same time, that little bit of seeing his mother on the ground, the same place that she elevate from. Sure. That's a really nice look, Colaz. I like it. I like it. It kinda, I tell you the truth, it kinda put me back where every time I see my mother, it's just that me just feel like, yeah, my mother that, you know, it's just, yeah man. But guys, tell you the truth, looking at Colaz, seeing Colaz and him family, because that's Colaz whole family right there, you know? Subtract him brother them, him brother, you know, but that's Colaz whole family right there, sir. Him kids, him wife, and him mother husband, and Miss Little, one of the women that grew up Colaz Smith, was in one place. Yet still you have people that try to beat down the youth. Nobody is saying that you cannot talk about what Colaz or anybody do. But that doesn't mean that you get up 7 days a week. 7 days a week and beat down a young man where I try. All him a do is I try. All him a do I try. That's all him a do I try. Listen to me good now. You have people out here complaining. And you know one of the saddest thing about life? One of the saddest thing about life, Colaz a work hard and a support in family and a bill in Project X and a bill himself. But you have people out here where live off of the United States government. I mean, I show no shade pan people, but you know all know who me attack. Because a lot of people reach a certain age where you get your pension and them things. There's no problem with that. There's no problem with getting help from the government or help from anybody. There's no problem with that. Help is help. But when you see a young man try, a young man a push as hard as you see how Colaz a push, you not have to support him, yeah? You not have to support him. But at least leave him alone, let him live. Let him live. You know, have to support him. But at least let the youth live. Yeah, man, let the youth live. Because at the end of the day, the youth isn't troubling nobody. You know how nice his mother feel? Knowing that my son fix up the place where the one, hold on, our son fix up the one room where she used to live in with them. And he's building a mansion, a ginormous Project X. You know how good that lady feel. But yet still you have people beating down Colaz Smith. For what? For what? What? Why? Not one of them. Now them I call him a cult leader.